I'm recording. Now just walk through what you just walked through. I'm going to send this to, so Mike, you asked me what the electrical agenda for electrical training would be. Should we come out to your place? And Guy is going to do just a real brief walkthrough of what's going to happen when we do that. So go ahead, Guy, do your thing.
At your facility, we'll take your machine down, we will shut it off, and actually go through all the components while using the electrical manual to train your personnel.
Okay.
Power supplies, drive units, motors, everything that's accessible, and then you will get an explanation of how it works and show how it works in the electrical schematics.
Okay. When you do the drives, you're going to identify what on the drives, which drive runs which axes, what you test when you take them apart.
Go through what each drive does, and also the designations on there, so we can troubleshoot alarms.
Okay.
We will probably generate a few alarms so you can actually see the different alarm codes that come up, troubleshoot those.
Okay.
At this facility, we would do the exact same thing, but we would probably be able to get a little bit more in depth with your personnel, even though it's not the same machine, the same electronics, and the same principals apply.
Okay, but on the machine you could take apart the 24-volt power supply, or identify where that is, identify what each of the items do.
We'll also be taking meters and taking readings, so you can actually see what the readings are, compare them to the electrical print, and that way it'll help your guys troubleshoot in the event that something does fail.
Okay, but we're not taking drives apart here at this facility or at
Or at their facility.
That would be a training course like we would offer at York Tech or
that
at
would
Dayton.
be the only place where we would actually get into the inner workings of the drive or something else.
I don't think they want to do that. I think when a motor fails or an alarm comes up, I think they want to know how to fix it and fix it in a
But they're going
hurry.
to need to know how their device nets work, different inputs, and again, all that's going to be...
Okay, and all that would happen with the help of the electrical schematic for each machine, identifying an electrical path with their electrical engineers and going from there.
That is correct. And also, we would go over options because they have their own electrical print.
Yep,
So
you got it.
things like that, and also checking the input-output signals on the control.
Yep.
Going through that just to give them a well-rounded training.
Okay, I have it. I'm going to send this off to Dennis Lloyd. I'm going to stop the thing now.